Most people, in my experience, wait too long to file bankruptcy. And by the time they do, they've lost thousands of dollars they could have otherwise saved. If you're drowning in debt or struggling with collection calls, waiting can only make things worse. Hi, I'm attorney Perlman. Today, I'm going to walk you through why filing bankruptcy sooner rather than later can actually protect your assets, save you money, and bring you peace of mind. Unfortunately, I can't tell you how many times I've heard from past clients, I really wish I had done this sooner. There's actually a name for the period of time where people decide whether they should file, and it's called the financial sweat box. This is the period of time where people hold out, hoping that things get better, but ultimately they don't. Here's what's really happening behind the scenes. Interest keeps piling up, late fees are stacking up, collection efforts continue to escalate. And that credit card balance that was before manageable, it's now a snowball that's getting worse every single month. Bankruptcy can stop that snowball dead in its tracks, but the longer you wait, the more you stand to lose. Life doesn't pause when you're in a financial crisis. Whether it's a job loss, medical situation, or car repair, emergencies always seem to strike at the worst time possible. And if you're already stretched thin, those emergencies will definitely push you over the edge. Filing bankruptcy before you hit that point protects your paycheck, your home, and most importantly, your sanity. My experience is the waiting is when things spiral out of control. Let's be honest, no one likes collection calls. You may even have stopped opening your mail or your email, but creditors don't wait. They can garnish your bank account, freeze your assets, or sue you and win a judgment. Bankruptcy stops all of that immediately. No more calls, no more lawsuits, immediate protection so that you can have peace of mind. In an effort to stay afloat, too many people cash out their retirement, dip into savings, or borrow from family. But what they don't realize is, most of the time, those assets are already protected when you file bankruptcy. That 401k that you spent years working to build up, once you use it to pay for creditors, it's gone, and you'll never be able to have it again as a retirement instrument. And it may otherwise have been safe and protected from creditors if you filed bankruptcy. And let's talk about the myth that bankruptcy ruins your credit forever. That's simply a myth. In most cases, your credit will start to rebuild months after filing. Most of our clients qualify for car loans, credit cards, and mortgages sometimes a couple years after filing. Here's the truth. Bankruptcy isn't failure. It's how you take control of your finances, protect what you have, and move forward with clarity. The good news is you don't have to wait until you're out of choices. I'm Perlman. I'm a consumer bankruptcy attorney in New Jersey. Reaching out to a bankruptcy attorney for a consultation doesn't mean you're filing bankruptcy. It simply means you're trying to understand what your options are. My team and I are here to help you secure your financial fresh start. Call us to schedule your free, confidential, complimentary consultation.